Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all of your saved messages or conversations on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, use your credentials to log in and you will be taken into the home page. From this page, you can directly start posting your stories. Now, if you wish to clear all of your saved conversations or your chat data, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will then take you into your profile page. From your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then from the settings option, scroll all the way down until you see clear conversation option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will find all of your conversations within the Snapchat application that has been saved. Just tap on the cross icon at the right side of each conversation and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to clear this. Just tap on the clear button to provide your confirmation and your conversations will be cleared from your account. If this doesn't work for all of your saved messages, then you can also go into My Data and then clear all of your data from this page. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting and clearing all of your saved conversations on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.